Hi guys, Miss Lang. Hey, we're going to make a shoe size chart. So I'm going to help you just in case you're having some trouble with that. So please remember when we get into, you're going to click on the blue words here, but once you're in this document, you're going to go ahead and type in what you see here. So first I put a title at the top, shoe sizes. Okay, then I had put the person's name in, who it's going to be. So I did mine and I did both my sister's shoe sizes. And then I just called them up on the phone and asked them what shoe size they had. So you can see the different sizes that I have in here. And once you have all that information in, it's time to make a chart. Now notice I didn't put any, like if actually my little sister's 7.5. So I wouldn't put 7, I would put 7.5 or 7.5, right? Because she's 7.5 is her size. I wouldn't want to put 1/2 because the computer can't, Google Sheets can't deal with that. And also I didn't put like size after it. It's just the data. We just want the raw number in there so Google Sheets can make that into a chart. So now when I go to select this, I'm going to go ahead and click, I'm just going to start up here in cell A1. Right, there's the A, there's the 1. I'm going to start with shoe sizes. And I'm going to think about drawing a diagonal line here. So I'm going to do a little diagonal line, okay, so that I can go from shoe sizes down to 7.5. I don't have any extra spaces. I don't have anything like that. I want to keep it as simple as possible for the computer. Next, I'm going to go to Insert Chart. And as long as you guys want to use one of the line charts or the bar chart, I think that would be good for this right now. And right here, I just came up with a simple bar chart. And you can see I have the different names. So shoe size versus name is what they're saying, but I'm just going to do shoe size, okay? Because right now we're just doing some straight shoe size. You can notice down here, it took my labels, shoe size, from right there. Over here, it took my label. There's the different names of the people. If you'd like, I'm going to close my camera here. If you like, you can, remember, you can add data points here. We did this when we did our eye color chart. Okay, so if I go to close my chart title here and I go to my series, this is a series of data. And if I wanted to do different colors, remember, you can add a different data point. So I can make mine one color. And I can make my sister Barbara, she likes blue, I'll leave that. And then I'll make my little sister Eileen, we're going to make her color. Make her color. And I can go down here and change the colors. So Eileen's, we're going to make her green. So if you'd like to, you can do that as well. You can also, I saw some of you guys experimented with the backgrounds. You made your I love turning on the data labels. I think that's great. But some people experimented as well with all these different options that you have through here, including 3D. So feel free to experiment with all the different ways to customize your chart. You can move it around just by clicking on the white. And remember, when you're finished, you're going to go back into Canvas. And in Canvas, you're going to click the blue Submit button. Okay, so you're going to click the blue Submit button in Canvas to submit the shoe size chart. And then I'm going to have you go on to part 3 of the digital day assignment, which is keyboarding. Thank you.